Hello friends, myself Dr. Uddhav Hale, Professor, Department of Botany, Arts, Science, Commerce, Nadu, Tuzapur District, Usanwad, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Friends, once again I am here for discussing about the multiple choice questions on Bryophyta part 1, and that is including in the paper of diversity of Proteogam 2nd. Now these multiple choice questions are very important for various examinations, such as for undergraduate students, those who are having botany, or those who are having the agricultural sciences, life sciences, for postgraduate students. This is useful for the NET, SET, PET, MPSC, UPSC, agriculture sciences and forest services examinations. Nowadays, this pandemic situation is still going on. For that, every university is going to be conducted the online examination based on the multiple choice questions. Now, keeping this view in my mind, again here I am trying to discuss about the multiple choice questions based on the Bryophyte. Now here, the first question, that is, which of these makes up the Bryophyta division of the plant kingdom? Their options are A. Ferns and mosses, second, hostels and ferns, mosses and liverworts, and D. mosses and hostels. And the correct option is, that is C, that is mosses and liverworts. Mosses, that is in the syllabus, that is Funaria is considered. Now question number 2, which of the following is the amphibian of plants? Their options are different groups of the plant kingdom, that is A. pteridophytes, B. bryophytes, C. gymnosperms, and D. angiosperms. Now the correct option is B, that is bryophytes. Now question number 3, Gemma cup and Gemma is the characters of, that is the particular characters of the, for A. vegetative reproduction, B. asexual reproduction, C. sexual reproduction, or D. both of the above. That is A. The correct answer is Gemma cup or the Gemma is useful character for the vegetative reproduction. Question number 4, what is the unique characters of bryophytes as compared to other green plants? The correct option is, that is options are lack of vascular tissues, B. they produce spores, C. sporophytic pipes attached to gametophyte, and D. lacks of roots. And the correct option is, that is C, the sporophyte attached to the gametophyte. Question number 5, the archegonium produces in, especially their options are A. sperm cells, B. seeds, C. an egg cell, D. there is spore cells, and the correct answer is, that is C, an egg cell. Question number 6, which group of plants is considered as the lower bryophytes? Their options are A. anthocyatales, B. mosses, C. liverworts, D. jungerminales. So these are the different group of the bryophyte plants, and among that, which is the considered for the lower bryophytes? And the correct answer is C, that is a liverworts. Question number 7, club moss is called as, commonly called as, that is their options are A. Funaria, B. Lycopodium, C. Equigetum, D. Markensia. And now the correct option is B, that is a Lycopodium. Question number 8. Liverworts is closely related to. That the options are A. Algae, B. Fungi, C. Lichens, and D. Mosses. And the correct answer is mosses. So this is a correct option D, that is mosses. Question number 9. Conducting tissue in Funaria is made up of. Their options are A. Xylem, B. Phloem, C. Xylem and phloem, D. Parenchyma, and the correct option is D, that is a parenchyma. Question number 10. Bryophytes have roots, stems, and vascular system. This sentence either true or false. Now their options true or false, and the correct option is A, that is the false, because bryophytes have no root, or it is not differentiated into root, stem, leaves, as well as there is no vascular system. Question number 11. Stomata first occurred in which group of bryophytes? And their options are A. in liverworts, B. in stoneworts, C. hornworts, and D. bladderworts. And the correct options are hornworts. In hornworts, especially we can say it is now the Anthoceras. So here the stomata occurs in bryophytes. Question number 12. Which of the following diploid phase in moss plant or Funaria plants? What is the diploid phase in moss or in Funaria plants? Their options are A. spore, B. leaves, C. in gametes, and D. spore mother cells. And the correct answer is that is D, that is the diploid phase. It occurs in moss, that is in spore mother cells. Question number 13. Bryophytes are called amphibians of the plant kingdom because of. What is the reason behind it? And their options are A. they require water to complete their life cycle, B. they require land to complete their life cycle, C. they require both land and water for surviving, D. none of the above. And the correct option is A, that is they require water to complete their life cycle. Question number 14. What is the specialized organs of the sporophyte attached with gametophyte? And their options are A. stalk, B. apophysis, C. foot, and D. root. And the correct option is C, that is the specialized organs of sporophyte attached to the gametophyte with the help of foot cells. Question number 15. Bryophytes differ from pterophytes due to or is being. Their options are A. seeded, B. non-vasculature, C. vasculature, or D. sporophyte. And the correct option is that is B. non-vasculature, because in bryophyte there is no vascular systems are there. Question number 16. Which of the following is also known as moss? The options are A. Erixia, B. Marchantia, C. Funaria, D. none of the above. And the correct answer is that is a C. Funaria. Funaria is considered as the moss among the Erixia, Marchantia, and Funaria. Question number 17. Find the true statement about bryophytes, and the options are A. they have chloroplasts, B. they have archegonia, they are thalloid in structure, and all of the above. The correct answer is D, because that the true statements are all here, because they have the chloroplast, they are present archegonia, their plant body is a thallus-like plant body. So therefore the correct answer is that is D. Question number 18. Androcytes gives rise to. Their options are A. androgonia, B. antherozoites, C. androcytes, D. none of the above. And the correct answer is that is B. Androcytes, it gives rise to the antherozoites. Question number 19. That is the basal swollen portion of the archegonium is, or that is a female reproductive organs is. Their options are A. ventral cell, B. neck cell, C. jacket cell, or ooze pair. And the correct answer is that is A, that is ventral cell. Now question number 20. The structure not involved in vegetative reproduction is. Their options are A. bulbous, B. spore, C. tuber, and D. none of the above. And now here the vegetative reproductive parts is not considered for the vegetative reproduction. That is the correct option is B, that is spore is not involved for the vegetative reproduction. So this is all about the bryophytes part for MCQs. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. You will get the further videos related to bryophytes. Thank you very much.